How to use one-handed mode on your Android device. One-handed mode is a feature for Android that aims to help those with taller phones be a bit more able to use their phone with a single hand. To do this, Android simply shrinks the screen vertically, bringing the topmost part of the phone closer to your thumb. I'm going to show you how to turn this on. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to go to your settings. Then, scroll down till you find Advanced Features. Then, about halfway down, you can see an option for one-handed mode. You can toggle this on or off on this screen, or click on it to get more options. So again, you can toggle it on from here. Then next, you can choose the way it will actually turn on. So either with a gesture, which is swipe down in the center of the bottom of the page of the bottom edge of the screen, or button, which is double tap on the home button. I prefer this option, so that's what I'm going to do. But if I wanted a gesture, I could just click on that and do it that way. So if I click on button, next, if I double tap on the home button, you'll see that my screen has just shrunk to the bottom right hand corner, and I'll be able to use the phone a lot more easier with one hand. And that's all it takes to use one-handed mode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.